like a kindergartner that got a hold of some paint and put it in my hair.
Hey guys! Ooh, exciting new stuff. Who's excited? These girls. Okay.
Also, whoever said that you can't cut your finger with like children's
safety scissors
lied.
Okay, today we're doing an unboxing and we're super excited about it. If you love unboxings as much as these girls do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, welcome. I'm Tracy.
I am Stefanie.
I feel like we don't say who we are enough, and so many people
even
think
our little
that you
like
are Tracy.
No, even
Tracy, I love your hair. What color did you put in it?
Even our little like cousins don't. Not our first, but
like our cousins,
and then you have they can't keep it straight, so don't feel bad.
Stefanie,
actually feel
Tracy.
terrible.
Okay, so we are going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty box today for the month of July. We're super excited.
Fun fact: we have wanted to incorporate the Allure Beauty box within all of our unboxing comparisons, and we used to get it, I think, maybe a couple years ago when I think it was first kind of coming.
When it was like kind of new
around,
but there was nothing in its price point to kind of battle it against, so it was just kind of like we didn't have a place for it on our channel. But now Birchbox has stepped up to $15 a month, so this is a really good like
comparison. And we don't have the new month's Birchbox comparison. We're gonna look at our last Birchbox versus the Allure Beauty box, and going forward, if you guys want, we might just throw it in the mix with, you know, Birchbox.
Yeah, I think it'll just be a good way to kind of show, because that's what we always do on our channels. We kind of put boxes against boxes just so you can see what was in last month's Birchbox, just as a comparison, what $15 a month will get you. We're super excited. We got to team up with Allure to do this video, and yay, I'm so dang excited because it's got some good stuff in it.
Yeah,
like,
and this one
for the value.
Yeah, and this one is partnered with Huda Beauty, and if you guys know me, you know I love her liquid lipstick. I'm just hoping there's some liquid lipstick in there.
We also love supporting fellow boss babes, so it's all
and
good
YouTubers
stuff. All right, a couple things about it. $15 a month, but when you're a new subscriber, you get to sign up for $10. So your first is $10, and then after that it goes to $15. That's the first thing to know. Second thing to know, you get 5 or more premium samples. Holy cow, premium 5 or more, okay?
When you say premium, you got my heart. Did you say $60 to $90 value?
I did not.
$60 to $90 value in products, and like you said, it's 5 or more.
Right.
So you could get more.
And I can tell you guys, in past boxes, I just know from experience, you know, with Birchbox being at $15 now, not a lot has changed. The value of those, I mean, we would sometimes have boxes that were a $20 value.
Yeah.
Sometimes it would surprise you, but generally,
It wasn't.
no.
It wasn't.
This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like.
We're going in. I feel like we didn't even like fully do our intro because I feel like we just went so fast into it, but I know we did.
Oh, we did. We did all of it.
I know, my brain just...
We're just cutting right
Monday.
to it. That's how fast we are. I'm real excited. I'm real excited.
Oh my god. I see liquid. I see liquid lipstick.
Okay, do you want to just go for it since that's your favorite thing?
Yes. This is, ooh, it's like a red.
Ooh.
Pretty.
You know what this would be good for?
Going out?
No, sometimes you like wearing reds to Disney.
Disney.
And you like a long-lasting lip product that you don't have to worry about reapplying.
I love these. And the good thing about these, this is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte.
In Alluring.
And I just love it. It's a liquid lipstick, but it wears off nicely when it does, like once it does start to come off.
Do you feel like these are kind of more closely like a velvet?
Kind of, but not really, because they really are a matte.
But I mean the comfort of like a velvet or satin.
It's not drying like some other ones that are not going to be mentioned. Oh, this must be
even
like a
has
special color
packaging.
because it's Alluring, which it's Allure magazine. It's like a special one for it. It's really pretty.
Holy moly red.
It's really pretty. It's kind of corally.
Yeah.
It's like a corally red. It's really pretty.
Yeah. Super fun for summer.
That's nice. You know these things are...
They smell good too. What do they smell like?
They give me beachy vibes.
Yeah.
It's like a sweet, beachy...
Kind of tropically
I'm not actually sure of what... It comes with like a little mini magazine, Allure magazine, with like reviews and information on the products.
I know that whenever I'm shopping for beauty products, my eye goes to that little red sticker that's like Allure, Beauty Award, Allure tested. Do you know what I mean? Those things where it's kind of like the seal. And I'm pretty sure these are all product tested by the Allure beauty editor. So you know it's like
Ours,
good
are they
stuff.
the same?
I don't know. I want to grab makeup wipe because I can see
Bad things happening.
Yeah, I don't want to get red lipstick on my shirt. It's almost dry, but not totally, so.
Go in for it, Trey.
Okay, next.
I think they're the same. same, but I don't know. No, they're different.
They're different?
I think.
They're different.
There's a product that I see in there that I don't see in mine, so let's just keep going. So now we're getting into this little pouch, right?
Yeah.
See, this is where I think it might be a little different, but I'm not sure, because I think I got this instead of the one you got.
Instead of that?
Yeah. I think there might be a couple of variations.
Okay, cool.
But then I think there's some
This is
solid.
a fun little
This is a
pouch. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh no. Hold up, hold up. How fun though. With passion and purpose, every dream is possible. How fun is that? We are all about going after your dreams.
P squared.
You know, not that I wanna, passion and purpose, P squared, I like that. Not that I wanna go on a tangent, but if you need somebody to tell you, like if someone needs to hear this today, you know how on Twitter it's like, I don't know who needs to hear this, but
somebody does.
Go after your dreams. If there is that one hurdle or that one thing that you're just like wanting to do, just go for it. Today's the day. Don't make an excuse. Come up with a reason why you can do it. And we're part of your reason, so just go for it.
We're part of the reason.
You're welcome.
I'm grabbing stuff.
You're welcome. The material of this.
Makes you want to go in a pool.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it smells like a pool.
I'm laying in a pool.
Float. You're doing this.
Yeah.
Do it with me.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm motion sick. JK. JK. Okay, there's a perfume sample, and I'm pretty excited because it says vanilla 28, and the bottle is beautiful, and I really want to like this because not only do I love good smelling perfumes, especially when they have vanilla in them.
Do I have something in my eye?
Yes, it's a little fiber.
Help.
Can't. It's like stuck to your eyeball. Oh, it's still there. It's still there. Hold on. Wait. Don't look away. Your hair's coming.
Oh,
I got it. That's the best, right?
Oh, it's a bath on my eye, you guys. These fibers, where do they come
I
from?
think it comes from makeup wipes.
I mean, I haven't used our normal makeup wipes, so
Yeah,
I don't know. Anyways,
Okay, the notes in this are vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. Oh my gosh.
oh wait, this is hers.
Oh, well now I'm even more excited.
Right?
This pack, I mean, it has
that there.
HudaBeauty.com at K-Ali.
Yeah.
Not sure if I'm saying that right, but the bottle is pretty. I put perfume on today, but ooh. Usually on first spritz, it's too alcoholic and you don't like it, but
It's already good.
yeah. I'm real excited about that. Oh, I'm so excited. Seriously,
Y'all, that is-
like I was saying,
that
in
is
addition
right.
to really yummy smelling perfumes, I like when they're pretty because, you know, they can become decor on your vanity or your dresser or your wherever.
I love that. I love vanilla scents. Okay, lashes.
Lashes!
Ooh, these are fun. Are they the same? Samantha number 7?
Yeah.
These are fun. I want
They
to wear
are
these right
glam.
now.
Just turn them over, Tracy. Just turn. I'm like, how do I open
like, where
you?
are the
How do I
lashes? Okay,
open
they
you? Oh.
I feel like we've used these before when we've done like a makeup get ready. Not this exact one, but
Yeah.
some of her lashes.
Yeah.
They're so
Samantha
pretty.
number 7, classic.
And they're my favorite kind because they're very like wispy, like
Yeah.
fluttery.
You guys have asked us to do like get ready with me using our monthly boxes, and I think that could be fun. So let us know down in the comments
This is
if
a
you
good
like
one.
to see that. I feel like it could even be fun to just be like a mishmash of everything, just
right.
because like
beauty boxes I've gotten this month, creating full.
yeah, like
face.
a full look.
It's fun.
This is Way Texturizing Hairspray.
Fun.
Like dry
Cool.
shampoo and hairspray had a baby. I love saying when things had a baby. You know what I mean? You like take two things that you love and you're like, if they just had a baby. It says like dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby. This ultralight hairspray that builds incredible volume and texture packed with volcanic minerals to absorb oil and refresh hair. This kind of makes me think of that stuff. It's like Living Proof. They've got like a dry volume blast. No, I'm scared. No.
It's also like the dry bar one I liked. But I didn't know that. See, I didn't know that this brand had
Yeah.
texturizing like.
And like I'm on fresh washed hair, so it's got that extra soft, like not wanting to do anything.
Need some
so
grabby.
you need some
grabby.
grit. Some grit. I don't know what that is.
Either.
But
It's funny, though.
okay, fun. Way's a good hair brand.
Thank
I'm
you.
just stoked.
We'll keep going with the things we have like and
Each
then we'll
other?
go to
Okay,
the
cool. Yeah.
last one. This is a snail hydro gel mask.
Fun. Okay.
I'm so
Do you remember
excited,
way back
but
when we
so
did that
scared.
that little promo about Asian skincare beauty
Yes.
stuff, and we talked about snail stuff, and yeah, that is just memories.
Scared, but also so cool because I didn't have to like, you know what I mean? I didn't have to like commit to something.
Right. to try it.
So cool.
Gold added snail hydrogel mask helps elasticity and vitalize skin.
I'm scared, but I'm excited.
Okay, the words snail secretion.
No.
But also really
cool,
interesting. It's a highly moisturizing hydrogel mask. It provides upgraded skincare effects in terms of moisture, elasticity, and nourishment with gold added ingredients such as snail secretion filtrate, ginseng callus extract, and EGF.
I mean, it'll make me look 15 years younger.
Right? Made me look like I'm 7.
Baby.
BB. It says that the snail secretion filtrate has a structure similar to the structure of skin, so it strengthens the skin's barrier, which we've talked about stuff that like helps with skin barriers.
Yeah, if you ever have like, there's certain, not rashes, but like I get like an eczema, like a reaction, dry, flaky skin type thing. Sometimes that's just your skin barrier is weak and needs to be strengthened.
Right. This does that. Pure gold ingredients soothe skin irritated by external stimuli, making skin look clear and transparent by providing vitality to skin.
Because that's the thing, you're supposed to have a skin barrier so that the irritants can't get into your skin, and when your skin barrier is broken, then irritants.
It's a whole science.
It's irritants.
Whole sciencey.
Stupid irritants.
This is Too Faced Replenishing Face Primer, which we have liked a lot. We have used a lot. It's a good one.
We've used a lot.
We have. No, I've repurchased. So this is a really good. I really enjoy this primer. Feels good. It smells like kind of coconutty. It has coconut water, probiotic based ingredient, and skin revivers, and it's silicone free. I personally am not a big fan of silicone based primers on my face. I just don't like the way that it feels. So this is a favorite primer of mine.
So the other product you could have gotten this month would have been, I'm figuring this out now. There's one product that is different, and it's the editor picks.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah.
Wait, no, those are all editor picks. Well, there's 3 products, and it's the Hangover RX. I got the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in Zero, the black color.
Good eyeliner.
And then there was also a Benefit Cabral, like the little cream gel thing.
This is a hair product. This is Away Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. And you guys know that Stephanie and I have been rocking the curly hair. Honestly, I think anytime you style your hair, it's good to have a leave-in conditioner, especially when you're brushing it. If it's wet, you know, got to be careful with your hair. So this is a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Mist lightly throughout damp hair. This is also, you guys know, one of my favorite things about beauty boxes is getting good travel products. And even if you're not someone who travels a lot, it is nice just to have, I mean, just for a weekend.
When I like come over to your house to spend the night or a couple nights, I'll pack my travel skincare.
Right.
Like I'll throw it in a little bag. I'll keep it, honestly, my little travel bag together and just.
Yeah. I love this. And I mean, just at like a quick glance, I don't think I see silicones in here. But like we've said, I'm not like hardcore CG method.
Too hard.
So like I will use some products that have silicone in it. Sometimes I feel like my hair likes silicones.
Sometimes I think it does too.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a good brand. Laneige.
Laneige.
I'm not sure. Water Bank Moisture Cream. Another good little travel size. Normal to dry skin. I think it's just a moisturizer, hydrating and soothing.
Yeah, I love.
But it's like a water kind of cream.
When moisturizers are in a squeezy tube. I've got another squeezy tube moisturizer that I used for travel, but like I've just been using it just because like I really like it, and it introduces you to new brands that you may not have tried otherwise. And I mean, skincare can be expensive, so it's nice to get to try it in a smaller size before you commit to it.
I like that these brands are brands that you could pick up like
not super indie niche brands.
They're brands that I've heard of. Okay. Yeah. And then I think everything else is the same.
Right.
So you can see that in these little magazines, like what was in the boxes for the month, because these are all the products. So see those 3?
Yeah.
But everything else we got. Cool. And the rest is products.
So it's like a little magazine that kind of gives you tips and tricks on how to use the products and just more information about it.
It talks about the products, and then it gives you some fun little like 3 new ways to use texturizing spray.
Cool.
So it has like little tips and tricks. So I got the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil, where she got the Hangover RX.
Yeah.
So that's a good.
Okay, there's also a limited time code that you can get 25% off at shophudabeauty.com. So
and I think they're personalized, aren't they?
I think so. Yeah.
They're personalized codes.
Yeah.
That's fun.
And we're gonna keep that secret.
We're not gonna go back through necessarily everything in Birchbox, but I wanna kind of talk about a couple things in Birchbox from last month to give a good comparison.
So like in total, we got 8 samples. Obviously, these 2 are basically full size. The mask is basically full size. I don't know how many you would typically get in a pack, but like you get a full use out of this, you know what I mean? So it's like,
these make me think of things that I would get, like whenever I would get samples of some of my hair products that are about the size, the more expensive one, which I think Way is pretty pricey. I think they would be around the $12 to $15 mark for a size this big.
Yeah, like the value. Well, this box this month had a value of $72.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you are, especially if it's your first month signing up, $10, you way got your money's worth. But even if it's $15, I mean, these two things right here
Full size.
already covered the value for you. So that's
Right.
really exciting. I really cannot tell you the last time I received a full-size product in a Birchbox.
Other than this. Which, do we count that? I don't know.
Not really.
Okay, here's the comparison, all right? We do have a hair product by R&Co. My only issue is I feel like this is one of the few hair brands that we get.
Yeah.
There's only like 2 or 3 that I feel like we ever get in Birchbox. They did Way in Allure this month. I'm not 100% sure of the other brands that they have, but being Allure, I'm gonna assume that they have more than just one brand of hair product. We got an R&Co dry like liquid shampoo, which is kind of a new concept and I'm not sure about it, but that's a similar size to something in Allure. But that's kind of where it starts to be not comparable because you do have this, which compares with a mask.
Right.
This is an older product and the size with it being a mascara is smaller, and also it's hard for me to know if I like a mascara with a mascara sample like this unless the brush is 100% identical. But it's not a bad brand. I've never heard of this one until this.
Right, yeah, we started getting the Touch and Soul brand, but it's been a product that has been sampled a lot.
A lot.
So I think with what we feel about, you guys are always asking us, you know, which subscription should I get? Where should I put my money? And with Birchbox recent price shift, I feel like if you were a subscriber to Birchbox and you feel like you weren't getting your value out of it, Allure might be a better option for you.
It is 100% better because
when you're kind of signing up for something that has a stated value of $60 to $90, you don't really have to worry
it's more like
about.
it's a guarantee kind of thing. It's not like am I gonna get my worth this month? It's like, no, you're gonna get this to this worth. I just feel these are good size products.
Right.
These are full size products.
Right. I think typically you're gonna be lucky to get one of these in a Birchbox as your big sample. You know, we've been pretty vocal about, you know, that price shift and just how we feel. So I think this is definitely, you know, a better bang for your buck. And
I'm also really happy that I know a lot of the brands. It's nice to try new brands, but it's also nice to try brands you know of that you may not be able to afford, that you may not want to afford until you've actually tried it.
Right.
You know, sometimes even going out and buying a sample of this size for $12 to $15 is like not something that you want to do, not knowing how much it is. And
if you had spent you know, either your $10 for your first time signing up to Allure or $15 if you were a regular customer, I mean, you got this plus everything else in the box this month.
And you get to try it, and then instead of getting that smaller sample and paying for that smaller sample, you'll get more bang for your buck and actually go out and buy the full size of this, which is usually a better value. Cool. So tell us down below if you get Allure, what do you think? And if you don't get Allure, we'll have a link down below. It's going to be allure.com/getthebox, but we'll link it down below also so you can go check it out if you want.
If you're a new subscriber, it'll only be $10 for your first box, and then it'll go to $15 after that. And I think it's a pretty exciting box. So if you want us to keep,
You also get a welcome gift.
yes, welcome gift. If you want us to keep opening the Allure box every month, let us know down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure you are subscribed, and we are going to talk to you guys in another video.
Super soon.
We sure dang will. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click the circular channel icon and it'll sub you right up.